Hi, my name is Pamela from Fujifilm Business Innovation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the toner on the Revoria Press E11 series. On the screen, it will say to change the toner. The door is located on the left side, which you put your fingers down in here and you pull it open. You then grab your fingers like this and you pull the toner out. You get your new toner, shake it around. You can see at the bottom here, this goes into this area and this goes into these grooves here. So you line them up like so, and then you push it all the way in and close the door, and that's how you replace the Revoria Press E11 toner. Thank you.